So we have a medium-sized cup, right? Glass. I'm using a glass. All right. And I'm going to squeeze half of a lemon. This is half a lemon right here. This was for my breakfast in the morning, but I'm going to use it now. And then what you want to do? Squeeze it out like this. All right. So everything is come out. All right. Lovely. And if you like, get your apple cider vinegar, but make sure you shake it up. Wake it up, because there is a lot of stuff sitting at the bottom. Don't watch those things. That's the benefit. And then come, just like this. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then, if you're not using plastic water, your bottled water, I don't know what kind of water you use. And then you pour in the water like this. That's what I've been doing every morning. All right? And then what you want to do? Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Or you can drink it before you go to your bed at night. It's simple, guys. No sugar, no sweetener, no honey. All right? Yeah, right there like that. That's it. And remember to get yourself a copy of my book. It's on Amazon. 50% off at the moment, From Poverty to Purpose. So you just drink this as it is first thing in the morning before you go to bed tonight. Don't drink anything else. Don't eat anything else. Just this only. Trust me, and you will see the benefit. If you do this for 14 days, you will see the benefit what Chef Ricardo been talking about. And an amazing one. Life game change right here. Please enjoy it, guys. And, you know what I mean, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Drink this for 14 days. 1 in the morning, 1 in the night before you go to bed. You will see the changes what I'm talking about. Better sleep, better health, vitamin C, and you're going to feel great. And your immune system going to be boots. You may lose a little bit of weight because lemon make you lose weight because of the vitamin C.